In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to remove and install developer units for the Versant family. First, we'll open the cover. Then we're going to rotate this here. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and lift this lever to pull out our drums and developers. Alright, next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and remove this cover here. In order to remove this cover, you'll pull back tension here, and you'll have 3 screws. One screw here, one screw here, and one screw in the middle. Once you have all those 3 removed, then we can lift from each side up, and it'll come out like so. Once you have that removed, we're going to have to pull this drawer out a little bit more. So on each end, there is one on this side, and then the other side looks similar. You will need a flathead to poke it, and then you'll see it'll come out just a little bit. We'll do that to the other side, and we'll pull this unit a little bit out. Next is we're going to remove the drum unit for whichever developer we're replacing. So for in this instance, we'll go ahead and do the yellow one. So we'll go ahead and remove the yellow drum for this unit. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to loosen these 2 screws, and then this little plate will come right off, which holds the developer there. And then we can go ahead and disconnect it and remove it like so. Alright, so then we're going to go ahead and remove this plate here. In order to help remove it a little bit, we'll push back on the developer just so then this plate frees up here. We'll remove this plate here, and then we'll go ahead and remove the developer there. Now we'll go ahead and remove the developer unit. Now to install your new one, just want to make sure you aim this one in here like so, and then on the guide right here is where the metal part will go in, and you'll see it'll push in like so. Then we'll add our metal plate in here, and that's how you replace the developer module.